MSMEs. I think it has become clear to every serious-minded government all over the world, that the MSME sector is actually the engine and the backbone of every thriving economy. If the MSMEs do well, the economies do well. And that has been proven all over the world. And the uniqueness about, let's bring it out home to Nigeria. MSMEs contribute almost 50% of the GDP of the economy. They are the most creator of jobs, livelihoods, in terms of income, wealth creation. The MSMEs are very critical to this. And we believe that they are not getting the needed support that they should get. And by galvanizing, this kind of awareness, this kind of advocacy, for the MSME sector, we believe we're making our own contribution with respect to growing the Nigerian economy, by extension Africa. But again, charity begins from home. Let's start with what we have here in Nigeria. Again, we are putting it within the context of the bold declaration of the federal government in building a $1 trillion economy, and we believe this will not be realizable, without the necessary policy direction, policy support, and funding, for the MSME sector, not just to survive, but to scale, to grow, and make that a significant contribution to the economy. Now, why Proshare? Proshare has been, again, it goes back to my relationship with the chairman and founder, Femi Aweyemi. It's really been a tremendous support. And over the years, we've seen what Proshare has been able to do in terms of reporting, what the market, is all about. Fact-based, very objective, and the integrity is there. So Proshare has the pedigree, we believe, needed in terms of pushing the advocacy. And again, you've been at the forefront of covering MSMEs. They're a major part of your thematic areas. And so it was a natural alignment, between what we want to do and partnering with Proshare, to really advance, financial inclusion and access to finance for MSMEs, particularly at the upcoming event. That will be on Friday, August 29, 2025 at the Oriental Hotel, Lekki, Victoria Island, Lagos. In terms of policy, actionable policy direction, for the MSME, again, because that is where we need to begin from. If we're going to get any meaningful support for the MSME sector, it has to start from the policy. And so part of the expectation for this event, because if you looked at the lineup of speakers we have, these are, solid policy guys, who are also industry players. And so the idea is to, galvanize, bring the ecosystem together, from the banking to the fintechs, to capital market, to insurance, bring everybody together and let's put heads together. Let's have this dialogue, this conversation, about generating enough actionable intelligence in terms of policy that can drive the MSME sector. Also, for this particular event, there's going to be a communique at the end of the day that would be minuted to, all the stakeholders that are responsible, for MSME financing, particularly, the financial services sector, because they have that responsibility, of, driving this access to financing for the MSMEs. But again, we're saying that this platform is like a bridge, between the policymakers and the institutional players, within that space. So you find that this platform is going to be that ecosystem driver, bringing all the stakeholders together to see how we can come up with solutions, particularly policy solutions and actionable strategies to drive the MSMEs going forward.